been sent to the Enforcement Directorate custody. This is the story breaking right now. I want to see if we can go back to both Priyanka and Yesha, who've been tracking that story, and they will have more details of what the operative part of the order really says. But the court weighing in very closely on what the matter is, what the charges are, and why this ED custody is necessitated. Rhythm also with us for more details on this. Rhythm, what more do we know about this? What are you hearing?
Well, now Anil Deshmukh has been sent to remand. Deepthi, it's a big sign for till 6th of November. The court has given out its order, valiantly argued in the courtroom by ASG Anil Singh, appearing for the Enforcement Directorate. Arguments were made that his custody is needed. Anil Singh for the ED argued for more than 1 hour, after which the court has now finally granted custody to the Enforcement Directorate. It's a big breaking news coming in because there were the charges that the ED had made against Anil Deshmukh were very, very important when it came to money laundering and the PMLA Act. Under the ED has said that when it came to certain charges, there was money laundering to the tune of 4.75 crores of illegal gratification that Anil Deshmukh allegedly had taken. They've also stated that more than 4 crores of this was given to Delhi shell companies. The ED in its disclosures has also maintained stated that there was a Worli flat that was purchased by him in 2004, but the payments were only made in 2020 when he became the Home Minister. But the big breaking news, and I want to go to that before I come across to all the details of the cases that are pending against Anil Deshmukh by the ED, the CBI and the IT, that this is one case in which the former Home Minister of Maharashtra has been now arrested. He was refusing to join the summons.
I'm just going to pull away from you for a moment. I'm told Priyanka also has a quick update. She's reporting from outside the court for us. And yes, our entire team of guests and colleagues continue to stay with us. Yes, Priyanka.
Well, yes, the breaking update that we are getting from inside of the courtroom is 6th of November is when till the custody for Anil Deshmukh, the former Home Minister of Maharashtra government, has been given to Enforcement Directorate. What it essentially means is that the ED investigation into the entire Vasuli Gate scandal and the Hawala operations and the dubious financial transactions that they will be investigating into with respect to Anil Deshmukh will be carried out. He will be asked questions about the 100 crore Vasuli Gate scandal, also his entire reference, his nexus with Sachin Waze and Parambir Singh as well. All of these questions will be asked to Anil Deshmukh in the custody of Enforcement Directorate. As Deepthi and Rhythm, that you were also pointing out, that he had been quite evasive from the very beginning of this entire investigation that had come to light while when there were allegations that were put forth against him that he was the one who was giving a target to the top cops of Mumbai for extorting about 100 crores every month as well. So all of these allegations will be looked into. All of these allegations will be asked to Anil Deshmukh when Enforcement Directorate, now that they have been given the custody till 6th of November for Anil Deshmukh. And of course, the nexus of Sachin Waze and Parambir Singh will also be investigated into whether Anil Deshmukh was the one who knew about these extortion rackets that were being run by the former top cops of Mumbai police, and also whether not only did he know, but was he the one who was actually directing all of these top cops to carry out these extortion rackets. Let's pan our camera because we will, in any minute now, we will expect some movement of lawyers and ED officials exiting from the court as well, because the operative part of the order is actually out that there will be a custody of till 6th of November to Enforcement Directorate that has been granted by the court for Anil Deshmukh's further interrogation. And we do see that the security arrangements are tightened. The security is on their toes, making sure that there's no chaos, because as Yesha had also been pointing out earlier, this is not the gate where Anil Deshmukh will be exiting from, because usually to avoid the media glare, he will be taken from another gate. But right now what we see is the place where lawyers and ED officials are expected to come out from. There's a lot of security deployment here all around the court as well, on all of the gates of the court, that because the former Home Minister for the Maharashtra government is currently inside where he had been produced. There were arguments that went on for quite some time ASG Anil Singh had went out to ask for 14 days of custody, but he has been only granted custody till 6th of November. That is 4 days from now that he will be questioned. Anil Deshmukh will be asked questions, interrogated by the officials with respect to the entire Vasuli Gate scandal. Now, what is also important is the kind of legal arguments that had been made from the counsels of Anil Deshmukh as well, where they had questioned the entire arrest. They had questioned the entire involvement of the Enforcement Directorate as well. They had stated that the Bombay High Court had asked the CBI to investigate into the matter and not the Enforcement Directorate. And Vikram Chaudhary had in fact on record stated that you came by yourself, you came on your own. He was of course talking about the Enforcement Directorate, and he stated that ED was not supposed to be looking into this entire matter, and also he claimed that the matter was sub judice. It was pending in the apex court of the country, which is why this entire investigation should not happen at the ED level as well. These kind of arguments which were made inside of the court, and now we have seen that the order is being dictated, and any minute now the lawyers will come out and give us an official version as to the arguments that were made inside the court.
Yes.